Welcome everybody. Today is Wednesday. On Wednesdays we wear pink. Today we're going to come to you with tutorial 4-1. I'm Corey Bungie Bauer, serving as your guide on this wonderful tour. We're going to create a map of tax compositions today. The new twist in this assignment, well, there are two new twists. One is the use of geodatabases. Two is the use of joining. So, geodatabases. These things, I don't know. I just think they're a pain in the butt for some reason. I don't know why. You can open a separate program called ArcGIS and make the geodatabase in there, or you can go through the catalog right here. You see, if I just click here, it brings up this folder, or this list of folders. Also, if you click here, catalog window, it brings it up. The one thing, if you remember from the first lesson about this, is that when you have this push pin set sideways, it does auto hide, and so if you go over here anywhere, it goes away. So when I'm working here, I like to change this push pin, click here, so that it turns away from auto hide, so now it's anchored there. So it's stuck in there, and you can see there's a separate window. The first thing you'll need to do is you need to make sure that you're connected to the folder. So you can go in and go to your ArcGIS folder. And you should be able to just do GIS-T1 and hit OK. You can see that I've already connected here. So when I go to folder connections, I can go ArcGIS GIS-T1, go down to my assignments, and we're going to be in chapter 4. All you have to do now is right-click on Chapter 4. It says New, and you do File Geodatabase, just like it says in the book. And so we're going to name this, I'll name it, I already have, there you go. Okay, it asks us to import 3 things into the geodatabase. First is going to be 2 shapefiles. So you right click, you go to import, and we're going to do feature class multiple because we're importing multiple things. Just click once, left click once here on this little folder. And now we're going to go to GIS-T1/data/data files. So data/data files, and we're going to, oh wait, sorry, that's not where we want to be. We want to be in data Allegheny County. Allegheny County. And we want to get rivers and munis. So if you hold control and left click on munis, then you can highlight both of them and then just click on add. And there they go, they show up. And they're going to go into the geodatabase we just created here. Hit OK. And now if we look, well, it's going to take a minute here. So you can see down here it says adding feature class to geodatabase. And so it just takes a minute and that'll whir around. And there we go. Now we get this little message saying checkmark feature class to geodatabase. And we can see now in this geodatabase right here, munis and rivers are right here. So now we need to add a data table. We're going to import it again. So how do you think we would do that? Why don't you go ahead and give that a shot? Okay, did you get it? If you're struggling, you're going to start out the same way we started out last time, by right-clicking right here and going to import. Last time, though, we imported a feature class. This time, we don't want to import a feature, we want to import what? That's right, we're going to import a table. A single table, we're only doing one table. And then import rows, so we're just going to follow the instructions in the book. We want to go to ArcGIS GIS-T1/data, and then /data files, and now revenue. And so we can just double click on this, and then double click on this. So now you'll see this is the file we want, and then we have to type in the output table name. So you can just type in revenue here, hit OK. Alright, there we go. So now all three of these are in this geodatabase right here. So we're gonna conclude that for right here. We're done creating the geodatabase. That's gonna be the end of this video. The next video I'll show you how to add the files from that geodatabase into the map. Okay, look forward to seeing you then.